SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which sort of is genuinely critical. SLP most certainly faces obstruction at $0.003, or so they explicitly thought. Smooth Love Potion truly is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the sort of bears especially has been laid out at $0.003. 24 September 2023. In this video, we will basically walk you through kind of Smooth Love Potion cost examination for NI, or for fundamentally win week from NI, and really attempt to answer this regularly explicitly clarified some things, facts. What generally is momentary cost expectation for Smooth Love Potion truly is SLP a sort of wise interest in a kind of huge manner. Smooth Love Potion support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the SLP specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the by and large current economic situations in a very significant manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,043,861,656,281, which basically is genuinely critical. The truly all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $17,771,514,007 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.07% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,273.57 level after a decay of 1.15% in a truly significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value reduction of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours, sort of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.8%, coming to $1,580.19 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.96, following a value change of 1.25% within a similar time period, which most certainly is very critical. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 1.24 and at present exchanging at 50 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,043,861,656,281 in an in every way that really matters, large way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market truly is going in a very descending course for especially transient in a sort of enormous manner. As of now, an essentially broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Smooth Love Potion generally is, as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the generally bears certainly has been laid out at $0.003. 24 September 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through fundamentally Smooth Love Potion cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and really attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what especially is somewhat momentary cost expectation for especially Smooth Love Potion, in every practical sense, is SLP an excellent venture? Which certainly is very huge. Smooth Love Potion backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, kind of additional appearance how these occasions in a real sense show that the market by and large is going in a truly descending bearing for commonly present moment. Or so they in a real sense thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become all the more for the most part dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so support sort of is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly more really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which merchants certainly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that the by and large all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,771,514,007 in a sort of significant manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of certainly smooth love potion, SLP, kind of smooth love potion execution. The day-to-day outline of commonly smooth love potion explicitly shows that the SLP value sort of has a descending development with a 1.18% reduction in beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting that XRP, the local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 1.24 and presently exchanging at 50 cents in a by and large significant manner. The value worth of the extremely smooth love potion (SLP) coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which really is very critical. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, showing that the genuinely complete exchanging volume really remains at $17,771,514,007, which truly is very huge. Smooth Love Potion Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 24 September 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time period, really made sense of beneath, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. We use in every way that really matters, relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to essentially dissect the future development of the genuinely smooth love potion. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. The for the most part relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI really is at 34, which basically shows that in every practical sense, smooth love potion support and opposition levels and so on, which by and large is genuinely huge. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, certainly further appearance, how SLP for the most part faces obstruction at $0.003 in a very enormous manner. Smooth love potion financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, in a truly significant manner basically. While SLP's Williams %R marker basically is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign especially is conceivable at this reach, genuinely further appearance how support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers truly become more dynamic and all things considered. Prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers especially become considerably more essentially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in a